29th of November 2019. I've a senior moment, but I call it a schoolboy error. I tried to move the Caravan with the wheel clamp still on, strained the wheel clamp, wouldn't unlock, so I had to have it ground off. As you can see, there's no fun. So the way to grind it off in future, if you do the same mistake, is on there. Just grind straight through there, straight through the barrel, and it will come off. It will take you about a quarter of an hour. Took us about 2 hours because, as you can see, we were attacking it here, because we didn't know what we was looking at, and we didn't want to compromise the integrity of the retainer in the wheel. So, lesson learnt.